like the closer we get to the track, there's like more and more Miatas. I love it. Everybody's waving too. It's awesome. Perfect. I'm about 3.5 miles. I got about 5 minutes to the track, so yeah, getting excited.
Yay!
Damn. Here we are, Sonoma Raceway. Oh my God. Wow, look at all these Miatas. Hey, look at that. My twin. Yeah, that's a 2011 Special Edition. Very nice. This is absolutely nuts. I've never seen this many Miatas in one place in my entire life. Oh, lava orange. Love it. Wow. I'm coming up on the car show right now. There are a lot of cars here. I can see them all the way back into the back also. It's pretty nuts. Oh, nice. Look at this lava orange. I think it's sweet. Love that color. All right, Adam, this one's for you. 2002 Special Edition. Wow, look at this. This is just crazy. Look at all these cars in here. Wow, that's a nice one. I feel like I've seen this car before. Look at that engine.
When looking on their website, it's
oh, wow.
for sale. The website itself, so I guess that's not a good thing. But
that's an odd looking engine.
It's a little square.
Yeah.
No, it's just a big turbo.
Yeah, exactly. That's it. Oh wow, look at this one. I don't even know what that is. Doesn't look like it's complete though. There's Miatas everywhere. I have never seen this many Miatas in one place in my life. Look at this. All the race cars, flying Miata, Moss Miata, Super Miata. Wow, look at that one. Sweet. Let's see. This one looks like it's half built.
Okay.
And unfortunately, therefore, I ended up, yeah, which was told was in good shape. So where's the Miata?
Oh, look at that BRG. Man, that is beautiful. 91 Special Edition. That is in fantastic shape. Look at that. That's just beautiful. That is, oh wow, look at this color. This is the color that they should be making these things in. This car looks fantastic in that color. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh, here's my counterpart. I've seen this car before. This is a 2011 special edition in Dolphin Gray. I have the sparkling black. This is my counterpart, 750 made. Oh, look at that bumper. What do you think of that? That's cool. I love this color too. That's pretty awesome. Look at that. What do you think of that? That's pretty. Yeah, a little bit of boost looks like. Very nice. Oh, look at this NC. Little purple trim. That's kind of cool. I like that. Is it a Mazda Speed? Yep. Cool, cool. Okay. I like those taillights. Those are cool. There you go. Mariner blue. That's pretty clean. Look at that engine. Look at the paint on this thing. This is crazy. It's like pearl white and pink. Love it. It's the 10th anniversary. Is that what it is? Or is this the laser blue? I don't know. Let's see. Sapphire blue. And here we have another 2011 special edition. This is, like I said, this is one of the Dolphin Gray cars. The gray interior. 750 made between Dolphin Gray and Sparkling Black. Very clean. Alright, NB1. Ow. Is that a clean NA or what? That looks like it just rolled off the assembly line. Oh my god. And then next to it we have a very, very modded Mazda Speed. Look at this engine. That engine bay is crazy. Oh, 30th anniversary. Yes. I love these. I wish I had bought mine, but oh well. Looks like some of these cars are getting ready to leave, so I'll have to kind of go quickly here. Look at that front end. That's really cool. Oh, is that a 95M? Looks like it. Yep, that is a 95M. Okay. Copper red. Yeah, there's so many cars here. I don't think I'll be able to do like close up on every single one of them. Yeah, like this. It's stock. LOL. Yeah. Is that a 2001 special edition? There you go. That is beautiful. Oh my god, look at this thing. That's oh, is it the Gambler? That is the Gambler 500. Yes. Somebody's got a spicy one down there. Look at that splitter. Oh, and of course it's got a V8 in it. LS1 looks like, or LS something. But Rivet. Yeah, there you go.
This is it.
All right, so here is a unicorn right here.
But he has a modified.
You will never ever see one of these. They are so rare. Look at that. That's an NB coupe. Never made their way to the United States. I like that it even has Japanese license plates on it. Oh my god, that is so cool. Let's look at the front here. Oh, that's a beauty.
Oh snap!
Oh, look at the interior. Look at this. Oh my god. Yep, right-hand drive. Look at that. Sweet. That is clean, clean, clean. Look at that. That is so beautiful. I didn't even notice that when I came in.
Oh, dude, yeah.
2001 special edition, British Racing Green. Looks like it's got a little bit of work done to the engine too. I've seen a couple in here that have some nice, nice turbos in there. Not this one, but it looks like it's just fairly stock. But how's this? 2 NCs, normal and extra spicy. That is crazy. Look at that. Now that's a lift. Oh my god. Look at that. That is just ridiculous, man. Look at that. Oh my god. I love it.
It's that bad, it's awesome.
I love it, yep. You know, I've heard people talk all kinds of crap about people that lift these things, but man, I think it's awesome.
Oh, it is, yeah.
I would totally do it too. He's got the Spider Girl on it. Yeah. Look at that.
Okay,
Look at this. This is my kryptonite right here. So. Yeah, I was looking at this NC earlier, but one thing I didn't notice. Let's check out the passenger. Does that mean you can drive in the HOV lane with that? Who knows? It's a 2007 Galaxy Gray. Look at all the bolts under here. This is pretty cool too. Yeah, even the windshield wiper squirters and like the engine cover.
A bit of wrap texture on the cluster gauge.
Look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but there's texture on the cowl. What's that? Oh, yeah.
Matching water bottle.
Look at that. Everything. That's so cool. That is a cool bumper. I didn't see the front end of these because they're parked nose in. So there's somebody that's a member of the Big Wang Gang. I'll record it. Piece of trivia about this car: this is the only color that was not sourced by Mazda. Seriously.
So, explain further.
So, this color came from the blue California license plate.
What?
That's where they got the color from. And more specifically, it came from the license plate on Bob Hall's Isuzu. They liked that color, and so he said, we want this color for the Miata, and that's where that color came from.
7 a.m. You know, a couple people said 7 a.m.
How do you like that wing? That's pretty cool. There you go, Yacht Club. Yeah, look at that. Kodgeckis look great on that. I got to show you this too. Look at this badge. Yeah, look at that. So nice.
That's what we usually.
Check out this roll bar. That is so cool. Oh my God. Look at this. Somebody said there'd be no Fiatas here. Look at this. And this is the kicker. Fiata speed. Loved it. Oh, that's Goodwin's car. Nice. This lovely lava orange here. Look at this. That is sweet. Because race car.
November 19th. Why does that already sound familiar?
Nice.
Did I see you in a YouTube video last night?
We are closing it down tonight. Look at this. The sun is going down. It's getting dark. Look at all these Miatas. Yeah, it's going to be way more tomorrow. This is just going to be a fun weekend. And it's just getting started. Yeah. There we go. This beautiful NA. There you go. That's super clean. Look at that thing.